Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hi everybody. If you are meeting me for the first time, or you are seeing this my video for the first time, my name is Lydia, aka Businesswoman, as known as Lydia Goose. Okay guys, how is everybody doing out there? As you can see on the screen, the topic of my message today is, my people, be wise on how you pass information to someone about them. Okay, for example, then say, my people, be wise, be very wise how you pass information about them. Okay, let's get started. For example, somebody said to you, or someone said to you, he told you or about somebody. Okay, you understand? He said, this person say. So if you are going to off, like if I get close to you, I told you about somebody, and you are going to tell the person, how are you going to tell the person? Is that place that you're supposed to be wise, how you pass information about people. Okay, so when somebody told you something, maybe he told you something about someone, it's not your duty to go there and tell the person, this person say, see wetin this person talk about you. This person talk say you be like this, you be like this. If you continue saying that, do you know what is going to happen? Do you know what will happen to that person you are telling? Automatically hatred will just appear. So who tell you? So the person now say, this person tell me. So see the person wey tell me. So that person wey you dey tell, you don't hate that person wey tell you. You understand? You don't hate that person wey tell you. That is why you that is passing information, that is passing message, you have to be wise. You have to be wise not to cause quarrel between two people, or not to cause hatred between two people. Understand? See, when I was very young, as a young girl growing up, so somebody told me about somebody and said, this person, she don't remove 3 belle. As that time, you understand, removing belle that time na something where people they hide, then they hide down. And even maybe if the parents involved, they go hide down. They no go want me anybody know say this person don't remove belle. Now something where then they hide and they keep. So, and when the people know say this person don't remove belle, it's like, oh, this person spoil, don't know man, it too spoil. People then they use them. So now different eyes now we go take contact, they look that person. You understand? That is why they hide it those days. So when the person come tell me now, say, this person no don't remove belle. I was like, don't remove belle 3 times. So we talk with comments. That is not. I say, everybody shout, okay. Oh. So one day now, because those people that time, there was our tenant. They rent rooms from us. So in my father's house those days, and where every time tenant and quarrel always have, that is tenant and landlord, or landlord children and tenant children always has misunderstanding about all the borrow. You take knife, you take spoon, you no return her, this, that, all those kind of stuff, you know. So when the thing happen, and so she can't say, we just come the quarrel, say, this, that, misunderstand the quarrel come. Those days they always laugh each other. They speak grammar those days. Go and wash your teeth before you talk to me. This, that. And wait till we take the quarrel those days. So now we come carry. I don't see what I want to tell her. And say, you know they share. You don't remove Tori belle. So now she starts. She gonna dey cry. She gonna carry the matter. She gonna dey cry. So when she dey cry, she gonna go tell her mom. So my mom come. The thing come cause quarrel. Come result to mother and mother. All of them come dey cause chat. They quarrel. So when my mom called me and asked me, who told you this girl? Who told you? I refused to tell my mom who told me. I refused. That is who I am. I refuse. I did tell them till today who told me. And the person that told me was there, was looking at my eyes like this. Pam, pam, pam. You understand? I didn't tell anybody who told me. Did you know that in that, after they have settled the matter, I know my mom, in the night, she wake me up and flog her out of me. That was my first beating and my last beating. As a child, when I was growing up, my mom doesn't beat me. My dad doesn't beat me because I was an obedient child. I was an obedient daughter. When they send me message, I don't know how to refuse. Go do this, I will do. Go do that one, I will do. Do this one. So I don't experience mother beating as they beat people or father beat. My father self, I don't even experience any beating from him at all because he know they beat. Only punishment, he go tell you, say, okay, you go and lay down, and he get very soft heart. If he see you they cry, he go say, come out, me, you know they do something bad thing again. Said so. You understand? So my people, be wise. Be wise. This message I'm passing now, some people are going to take it and learn from it. Why some people are going to take it and be offended, it doesn't matter. But let people learn from it is what matter. Okay, last time when I'm talking about where you have documents, please stop doing black job. Stop doing black job because of what happened about the 3 months ago. You see, they stopped people not to work. People was at home, but they were still paying some people the amount they receive when they work. So that is the reason why I advise people that they should stop working black job if they have document. But if you don't have, no problem. But do you know that video, some people get offended? I don't blame them because they don't understand what I said there. Because if they understand, they will not go and say it to someone. Because somebody called me and said, see what somebody talk. Now you see, I see the same thing. So when she called me and say, they say you do video, you talk like this, talk like this. My question, I asked the person, did you watch the video? She said no. She know, well, okay, why you not go watch? I mean, you they sure of waiting you they ask me. And you want just advise you because they say you can't talk like this. Say people they work for Shatudo for 4 hours, 2 hours. It's not nice. This, that. Everybody passed that road. And I said, yes, everybody passed that road. I understand. It's just an advice to some of our people having documents and doing black job. It doesn't pay. If you have document, please try and do a recognized job. Let the government recognize it, declare it. Is what I said on that video. So if you want to be sure, you go back to that video and watch it, or tell the person to send the video to you and you will watch it. And I asked the person, who told you, by the way? And she said she will not tell me. And she said, no, I'm not going to tell you the person that told me. You understand? And I said, okay. no problem. If you are not going to tell the person, no problem. You are not going to tell me who told you, no problem. This is the point I'm trying to make here. This is what I'm trying to tell you people. You see, she was wise there. To me, oh, I was not angry. Why she's not telling me the person that told her? No. But I saw that sister as a wise person for not telling me who told her that matter. For not telling me who crucified me at back for my video that I made. I saw her as a wise person. She was very wise, because if she have told me the person who told her, I would have get angry, develop automatic hatred upon that person. That is why I'm telling you people, be wise about the matter, about passing matter to people. Be very wise, so you can read the topic there. My people, be wise on how you pass information to someone about them. For example, this one say, then say, then say. Stop measuring people's name. It's not wisely at all. It doesn't make you as a wise person. For you going to tell person, say this one say, do you know what you are causing? You are causing problem, and you are causing hatred about that person. About that person who told you. Okay? About the person you went and tell and say, this person tell me say you talk like this. You are causing hatred. Hatred on two people. Okay? Be wise. Use brain. If you have friends, for example, both of you was good friends, and suddenly you guys get quarrel come. So suddenly una not gonna play again. Una gonna quarrel. You understand? So please try and be wise. Keep the secret. All the secret that person told you about others. Keep it. Keep it. It doesn't make you a wise person. It doesn't make you a mature person that's going out and be saying it. What your friend told you, where both of you were 5 and 6. Now you guys are no longer 5 or 6. You guys are not quarreling. Now you will not carry and be saying, she tell me say that one that time. She can't tell me say it doesn't make sense. That one and for that one don't pass. You understand? Another one now. Say, may you be wise how you pass information. How you pass information to someone, about people. You understand? Stop measuring their names. Stop telling the person, this one tell me say, you are trying to be good. You are trying to raise yourself as a responsible person. You are trying to carry yourself high, and you are limiting other people. You are bringing hatred on other people. It's very wrong. It's very bad. It's a wrong thing. If you are the type doing it, I'm telling you today that you are not matured. You are not matured. Let me still give you another example. There was some time ago like this. Some people gather and talk about me. Like me, lies, they pepper me well. If you put two lies on my head, wait and not talk, they pepper me. You understand? I know they like them. So I go start to the cry, and I go, I no one hear am. So somebody, one of them can't come out. They can't tell me. So when she told me, and she told me what each and every one of them said there, when they were there alone. You understand? I didn't say anything. I was very angry. I was very angry that time. So I now called one of them. So the matter now resolved like this. And the person asked me, who told you? Who told you? Because you were not there. And how did you hear it? Who told you? I sealed my mouth. I never told them. Who told me? Even a lot of people called me at that time. Sister, now who tell you this matter? How you can't hear? Because you were not there. How you can't hear? You understand? I never take them. I never say it out. Till today, I kept it. But the person was shocked because I heard it. Almost everything they said there, I heard it. But they were not denying. Not be so that they talk and this, that. But thank God, we have a mature person among us that settled the matter at that time. She told me, let go, leave it. Let go. Leave them. Let these people, let them go. Leave this matter, let it go. So she succeeded of calming me down. You understand? Bringing down my temper. All temper down because I was so angry because what they said there, they said me, I say, and I never said so. So I still let go. I still put it down. But I never measure the person who told me to them. You see? What if I measure the person? What if I say, no be she tell me because she too was there because there was about 5 there. They're not confused. They don't know who took the matter out. So now then go they suspect themselves. Now they sabi that is no longer my business. I don't hear and. But for me, now to be wise, I took it and I saw it to use it and be wise for myself. So next time I will know those kind of people. I will know what to talk when they are there, when they are around. I will know how to talk. So I did not measure the person's name. Who said it to me? It's not wise when you measure people's name. So he just imagine, say I just tell her that time, say, come, see who tell me, oh, and so person tell me, what do you think say for happen? What do you think say for happen? Now quarrel, now fight. Now at the end of the day, they know they play again. They know they play again. They'll quarrel, they'll fight. So it's all their self. But they are still playing now. But they never knew that person. But they play, they talk. But they never knew she was the one. You see, that is life. That is life. That is it. Okay? You people should stop. Stop saying, this one say, e no good. Okay? E no good. E dey spoil people name. E dey cause bite. E dey cause hatred. E dey cause hatred from the heart. That person wey you go tell, say, this person tell you, say, automatically e go just develop hatred upon that person. That person fit no remember when he tell you. If he be say na advice, he tell advise you. You carry, you go change am. You carry the matter, you go change am. So the person wey you change am to, that one go don dey vex for the person wey you tell, and the person wey he tell you no remember again whether he don tell you that kind matter. She don move on, he don move on. But you wey dey tell, you don carry go tell person. Does not make you a white person. Does not make you a mature person at all. A mature person, a wise person go hear. You know, say some people not they feel, they feel accept matter. They know they fit. People know, some people you go tell them matter as I see they explain to you. So you go tell them matter as he tell me, see who talking. I use them get sense. I handle the matter wisely. Some people no sabi handle matter wisely because maybe they too hatred they too much for their heart. I don't know. When they go just hear them say this person, they don't finish. They go want talk am. They go want talk the matter. They go want, if they never talk the matter, their body no go rest. Okay. So you people should stop it. Stop it, my people. Stop it. Stop saying what somebody told you. Many na to advise you. Because if it's a gossip, one person no dey gossip. Never. I've never seen where one person dey gossip. If that person sef talk to you once, maybe call you, he gossip to you, you no talk. For seconds, the person go realize that you know they talk. You go quickly change topic. You understand? You go quickly change topic. You go quickly talk and say, okay, and you go change. But when you sit down, they hear am, they listen, you go continue. As she talk, you throw. She go talk, you throw. The person talk, you throw. Yes, matter go dey go, go dey sweet. So why one person go carry the matter go talk? Come say this person say. So you no come say you not talk put. Where the person come dey say you not talk put. Remember, now the way you take and dress yourself. Now the way you take address yourself, now people go take address you. If a man toast a married woman, now the way you put yourself. A man toast you as a married woman, and he know say you don't marry. He know say you get husband. He toast you. Now the way you take put yourself. If you dey always talk about your husband, he no go come toast you. Or woman give you eye as a man. This girl they give me eye. Now the way you put yourself, my brother. If you put yourself where you dey always talk about your wife, present your wife well, talk about your wife good. Before young girl will come tell you say, brother, you don't eat. Don't say na eat, and also eat they want eat. Brother, how you dey? Brother, you don't eat. Before you go, they ask whether you don't eat. You go fear. You understand? If you know they talk good of your wife, you they discuss your wife with your friends, people they hear am and they go come give you high. This man no. That time when me and young, somebody don't tell me before. This brother they toast you. If this brother saying like you, which brother? He said that brother. Say that brother we don't marry. He said yes. He said he like you. He say he not like your wife. I say Abon, he like me. He not like your wife. Yes. So maybe me can go marry her, or maybe I can go grieve for her. Married man, for that matter, as me young rich, as me fine rich, I don't see single boys date. Now married man, I mean one can go date. Where single boys they as fine rich, as I get height rich. Where every men they look for women where get height. I don't see my type. Even though that time still get body, I say forget about body. So me not gonna see my type. But you see, till today, that brother where that girl tell me say he like you. He dey toast you, say he like you. He not like your wife not get character. My sister, that brother see there with the wife today. Oh, you see there with the wife today. He see there with the woman where they say he not get character. Don't born reach a sis for am. She don't born reach 6 children for her. The woman where they say he not get character, because that time just new marry am. Like only one picky black say the girl don't born for her that time. And they toast you. If they like you, he say he like me, I talk to you. I say, talk to who? Me. As me and young rich, so as I be so. To who man go be? Wait, I want go be second wife. I say I no go see sleep. Me be second wife, I no go see sleep. Never. Na my own I go carry. Na my own I go carry. I go see am. Don't worry. But they still there today. Oh, the woman wey no get character, they are still together. Till today, till tomorrow, they are still together. It's for better, for worse. Even though he no get character, he go carry am like that. You understand? So now, so the thing they be. So Stop. Know how you pass information. Pass it wisely. Because not all people or everybody is strong. Not everybody can handle matters. Not everybody that can handle a gossip. No. Some people, when they hear say you say something, hey, the way you go pepper them. Okay? It's pepper. Different, a lot of things wey me I don't hear, wey say they talk. People talk about me. I know they react. One day still dey like that, when one lady call me. She come tell me say, today she go somewhere. So when she did the place, she come dey inside house, and some people, group of people come. They come see greet the person where she to go greet, but she come dey inside house. Nobody knew that she was inside the house, inside that room. She was there relaxing. Before these people go, then bring my matter down. Then talk about me. Then talk about the other people. Then talk about this one. Say God. They spend more than 2 hours, more than 3 hours they spent there. They never bother to go around, to go inside the room and see who is there. They never move from that place. They sit, but they talk. They sat down and talk about me. Say, see what me they do. This and this, this and that. I say, and she tell me, I beg, please don't tell them all. Please don't let them know, because then if you tell them, they go just know. Say she did there. But I say, but you, they don't see you. He say, when they want go, now she come out, come greet them. So they come surprise. So please don't tell them. But I was very hot. Did you know why I was very hot? Because she told me the people that talk about me, that says things that I did not do, that I'm not doing about me. And I was very hot. My mind was boiling. My stomach was boiling. I was say, okay, let's go. Let's go there. Let's go there. Let me go and see that person. But when I get there, I did not say anything. I did not ask the person. But my beloved, I was not happy about that person. Even the person self was just, it was just surprised. Say, what is going on? Be this, say conscience, guilty. Don't judge her. But I was very hot. If I have evil mind that time, or I have something that time in mind, I will say, I'll do this person something. That's what I'm telling you. Don't measure the person. But I wish you did measure the person's name. Who tell you, sister? Because all these things where they talk now, something where just they talk. I wish you did measure the person name. I for not hot. I for not boil. I for not vex for the person like that. Even till today, if not by God's grace, I for never say command that person from my mind. But by my heart I have. But if now somebody like you not go ever forgive that person, you go wrong, go block him for Facebook, block him for everywhere, block him for everywhere. You go the vex for him. You go remain small, may you kill him. But I feel endurance without asking her, without I vex for a while, continue with her again. But she was not aware that something like this going on. No, you see, don't stop. Make sure people's name. This one tell me say, this one say, you are trying to introduce yourself as a good person, as the person that care for that person you are telling, as the person that love that person so much. It doesn't work like that. It's not a good advice. You must love the person. Me, I have people that I love. Yes, people have gossiped my friend to me several times. Yes, I agree. But I've never go and meet her. My friend, this person said this person's story. Even though I want to tell her, I will say, be careful no. See what I hear. Go say, who tell you? Tell me now, may I see whether go. No, say forget to tell you now. Advice. Use and wise. Why is just they be careful now wetin? Na so they take dey talk. No dey just dey carry, dey mention people name, mention people name, mention people name. If the person you are mentioning people name to is not strong or she's not a strong person, she will put you in trouble and she will pour it out. At the end of the day, those people will now hate you. All the hatred will come to you. As the person wey you dey tell, say this one, say this one, say, as he not be the strong person, she ask, say they say you say, they say you say. And when the person ask, those people don't already understand, say, ah, now this person now tell this thing, no, okay, so you go tell her. They don't, as their hatred don't come for you. But for you dey think say you dey talk am just to dey care. So you love the person, you care for the person. It's not nice. It's not a good thing. Okay? So be wise, my people. My people, be wise on how you pass information to someone. The topic dey there. Like they say, it cause hatred, it cause jealousy, it cause let me just say, not be jealousy, say hatred, boiling your mind, don't they boil against the person. You don't hate the person now. You are angry for the person. It's what it causes. Okay? So my people, stop. Be wise. Not everybody is strong. Not all they raise well. Not everybody they raise well. They train well. They taught how to keep secret. Before I leave, let me still tell you one thing. For example, for my work, I have some students. All those students, they used to bring students to replace people that is going to vacancy. They would sponsor those small girls. So today, one of them came to me and told me that she's leaving on Wednesday. I said, Abu, why? And she told me the reason why she's leaving. And she told me, I've not told anybody. You are the first person, and I trust you, and don't tell anybody. Have you? And she said, don't tell anybody. Till when the day I'm leaving, I will tell them. I was because that girl is so, how old are you? She's 18 years. So I love you. I'm going to miss you. So I just like, I see you as my daughter. Just a little girl, little pretty girl. She's so pretty, so soft. And she told me the reason why she's leaving, and I understand. It's not easy for her. From her place to work every day, she spent 1 hour 30 minutes on the road. Going back 1 hour 30 minutes. That is 3 hours daily to go. Say when she gets home. So she told me, I said okay. And another thing she said is that an elderly person molest her. I said, how now? He said the person tell her, say, make them go drink cafe together. Most of you men, be careful where you walk. Oh. Don't go and see all these small iboso. As you see them, so 18 years, so 17 years, you go, they toast them. You are in trouble. He said, the guy there, she pointed the guy to me. I said, that guy? Say yes. Says he asking her to go to cafe bar to drink cafe together. I said, maybe it's a joke. And he said, no, it's not a joke. And she told him that no, she don't want. And the guy insists that they should go. And that is what make her angry, you see. If I say, and it's not a mate, he's older than her. For what? Be that matter where you dey see now, wow, now molest, you don't molest be that. And go protect plant before you know it. So be wise, oh. Be wise, men. You see, then they always joke with person, that they always happy if then they your work or they can't work. Don't go past your boundary, oh. And protect plant for your head direct. They know they tolerate, they know they laugh, they know they smile, say, hey, brother, hey. No, e not there. Okay? Now we now they bear something. They know they tolerate. Now we they tolerate things. So that one can still pass. Another one can still dey. And she come still meet me the other day. One of our colleagues, that one our colleague, not be a student. She tell me, say, see what she want to do for this work. She go soon do this kind of thing. I say, say, and she tell me, say, I'm telling you because I trust you. I know wetin enter your ear, not they come out from your mouth if they not ask you. You see, I was say, bon, so tu me crois comme ça? I say, oui, I know you. I work with you. I know who you are. Not true. And she don't tell me, say, no tell anybody. No matter how me and you go laugh rich, you no go come out again. Don't finish. Elle a dit, never. And now wetin she dey do? She dey do am for inside body. Me now, if I dey work, no, they know. If they see my video like this, they go surprise. Say this girl dey talk. Me I no dey talk. Oh, only wetin they always tell me, say, we know they know when you tire or you not tired. And if you tired, not tired, you must greet with smile. Hey, bonjour. I say, if I tired, what you want to do? You know, and with the way they terrorize me, and the way where I be that. You understand? Okay, my people, I don't talk my own. I don't want this video to be too long. Thank you very much for watching. And please, if you come across this video for the first time, is it through Facebook, through YouTube, please help me to share the video. So if it's YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel, please, and give my video thumbs up, please, and comment and share. Thanks for that. And if it's Facebook, please don't hesitate to go and follow me on my page, Lydia Goose page. Okay, so I thank every one of you that supports me, that buy something, that have ever be there for me, ever be buying something since I start to the sell, who consist start to the buy from the have. All of una, I thank una. Una do well. Now God go bless una. And some of una wey dey my Facebook, wey don't subscribe, I so much appreciate each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart. I say may God bless you and bless your family in Jesus' name. Amen. And please don't forget that I'm a businesswoman. I do sell a lot of goods. Okay, so before I leave this video, I will present some things to you. Let me show you some little things. Let me start with this one, like pancake powder that you will rub your face, go dey shine. They go dey ask you, be this your baby? I get the powder. It's not fake. Look at it. It's original. It's not fake. It's nice product. Okay, it's not fake. It's original. Please come and get powder, Mary Kay, foundation, whatever you call it. I do sell them. Please patronize me. I ship to every country. I ship to anywhere you are. I can ship to you. I will now ship to different countries. Is in Nigeria, different all over the world. Okay, trust me, your goods will arrive safely. Nothing will happen to it. I'm not a scam. I will not scan your money. I will not collect your money and be giving you an excuse. If I can't, I will tell you I can't. If I don't have, I will still tell you I don't have. If I have it, I will still tell you I have it. We'll see when I will get it. See how I will post it to you. Will you get patient? Will you wait? Now, so my things they day. Okay. So, if you need paint, see this Deborah Milano is a good mark to paint your nails. This gel will dry between a second. Does it take time to dry? It doesn't need a fan to dry it. Where you paint it like this, look at it. Once you put it like this, it don't dry. Okay, before you put for the second hand, it don't dry. Okay, it's available. Contact me. If you want to count it and resell it, I'll still count it for you in affordable price. Okay, so guys, if you want eyelash Alassie that you will be doing your eyes like this, contact me. And the gum, the quality gum, excuse me, that gum it very well. There's some gum when you use it, you know, they gum your eye very well. Okay, when you use it, the thing will be falling out. But this one, I get gum that can gum it for you. You can use it throughout the day. You can use it to sleep if you want. Okay, so, and I still have Alassie. I do set them. This one is not heavy now. It will not cost you a lot of shipping. Can ship it to you free of charge. So let's continue. If you need makeup sets, my people, makeup set, original makeup set. Let me remove this one. They see myself very well. So if you need the makeup sets, contact me. I have makeup sets. I just said then this one is makeup set. I don't want to open it, but you can see it here. Different makeup. Let me read it. What is it? Brusher is this side. Shady powder is this side. Applicator is there. Concealer is there. Eyeshadow is there. Lipstick is inside. All is in one packet. Okay, as you can see it here. Contact me. Is original mark from Grand Complaint, so I can ship it to you. I still have if you don't need big one, you need medium one. This is Kind Heart. It's called Kind Heart. Type it on Google, you will see that it's a great mark. It's very nice. It's to make your face to shine and look sexy, look beautiful. For your husband, for yourself, and see, so nice. They have glow color. This color, they have so nice. When you use it, when you apply them on your face, is glow. Okay. So, what else will I show you again? So this is packet. I have this packet. See, blush to brush, different type. This here. You know, the medium, the biggest, the smallest, all in this one packet. And this is very cheap. It's not cost. Okay. So if you are still looking for something like this, you see, or something like this, the foam to do that, it's available. I have them. They are not expensive. So before I leave, let me show you this jewelries. I have different type. Look at it very well. Look at it very well. I have it different type. This one, this choker, this is choker. This is elephant head. It's gold. I do said gold though. Me, I not go forget that one. I just said gold. A lot of people are enjoying gold from me. They are buying gold. Benefited gold. No argument. Contract is contract. Promises is promises. I go pay so time like this. I don't know. You know, go pay me. I know they disturb you. I know go call you again. So before I leave, my people, I still have this cream. Look at it. This cream is nice also. Very nice. Look at the cream. It's very nice. So it removed. Look at my hand. Before I used to have black things and black spots here. It clear all everything. So come and get it. Contact me. I have them in stock, a lot in stock that will clear your hand for you. If you are the type that use cream, contact me. It's good for you to clear your hand, to make your hands so soft. You understand? Even though when you are romancing your guy or your man, your husband, so you will feel the soft baby hand around him. Okay, you understand? so it makes hands soft and glow. Come and contact me and get some. And if you are the type using cream, the cream is also good for you. And if you are not even using cream, you work, you use hot water, it's also good for you. Let's make ourselves young and take good care of ourselves, so that when you shake somebody, the person will say, wow, the cream is available. When you touch your mouth like this, you say, oh God, now where I did. You understand? It's also good for you. Okay, so my people, thanks very much for watching. Thanks to you guys for your support. I really appreciate you. Thanks from the bottom of my heart. May God bless each and every one of you for your support, for patronizing me, for buying things, for ordering. Thanks very much. May God bless you. Before I leave, those of you commenting, sharing my video, sharing my product, my sisters, my friends, I love you so much. God bless you all. Thanks for being there for me. If not be una, I've never reached where I did. So I'm telling you, for where who dash monkey banana now strength, now the way now they share, now the way now they talk to them. God bless me with some sister, good sister that share my video always, that share my product always, that always there for me, that always call me. They say me, I ask you, how much be this? Thank you. They know their self. Thank you so much. Thank you. Those of you who see the buy like now, you guys are also the same. I love you guys so much. Thank you. So before I leave now, let me remind you guys again that my people, be wise on how you pass information to someone about them. There's like they say it kills a lot. It causes hatred. It causes bite. It causes hatred. Even by jealousy, that one another side, but it causes pain. It causes if I see and go there like say me I kill him. It causes hatred. It causes heavy hatred. So be wise. Check people very well. Stop passing information. Tell about this one say you this one talk like this. This one talk like this. You know they make you they go anywhere. At the end of the day, now you now they come they run from. Now you now they come they avoid. You understand? So be wise. Please share the video. Let it go round. Let it go round to get to somebody that always do the thing, that don't even know why they do. Maybe go rethink and say, oh, this thing why they do no good. Okay, so please, if you are just coming, go back and watch the video. Sit down and watch it. It will bless you. It will still change you. To still change something for you. Thanks very much. See you next time on my next video. I love you all so much. May God keep us alive and witness our children, or see our children and enjoy the fruit of our labor. Thanks, bisous. Bye.